What's up, guys? It's me, your Geek. So here, the top 5 Motorola Moto G6 case. Yeah, number 5 case is from the here go. A simple, beautiful looking case. I mean, look at the teal color of it. And number four is a simple abstract art case from Liju. Yeah, Liju. I mean, look at the abstract art of it. And number three is from Pigeons. Pigeon rugged armor case. I mean, Pigeon is the most respectable and most reputable case manufacturer company out there. Number two is a simple, beautiful rugged case with a tired design. And number one, my favorite is from PureTech. I mean, look at it. What an amazing bread to hold. So it's me, Jimmy Geek. All of the case links are in the description box, bro. Subscribe and bye.